it finally happened. The rates went down by 0.5 point.
Victory screech!
But who really cares, right? If you're a buyer, if you're a seller, how does this even affect you, and why should you care about 0.5 point? What's it going to do for you? Well, today I'm going to give you 2 examples to hopefully help this make a little bit of sense for you and show you how this 0.5 point drop, it's not just a 0.5 point drop, it's a completely different market for you if you're a buyer. And if you're a seller, good things are coming your way. My name is John Trigg. I'm the Montco Realtor, and I sell real estate here in the beautiful Philadelphia suburban area. So if you're in the area, I'd love to talk to you, or just grab a cup of coffee. Let's talk about these examples. I'm going to give you 2 examples. So we're going to make a couple things here. Now, number one, let me tell you, I'm not a lender. So the numbers I give you are generalized numbers for the example purposes. I'm not someone who does lending every day, so these are not something you can take to the bank and expect to get. But they are ballpark numbers that will help you make sense to you. Number 2, we're assuming that you were looking at a house 6 months ago when the rates were a little bit higher, and now you're thinking about coming back in the market, but you don't really understand why 0.5 point matters to you. All right, so 6 months ago, the national average was 7.44%. So let's say 6 months ago you were looking at a house, you had $20,000 to put down, you were looking for around $400,000 house. That would be a loan of $380,000. At the old rates, 7.44, you were looking at a cost of about $2,641 every month for that $380,000 loan. Today, this morning, I saw a bank offering 5.625. That means that that same $380,000 loan is going to only cost you $2,187, a savings of over $450 every month. All right, that's a huge difference. Let's talk about in terms of buying power, because a lot of people look at house price more so than monthly cost. So let's make an assumption here again, same $20,000 to put down your loan, but here we're going to fix your housing price at $2,500. Again, not including taxes, not including insurance, not including credit cards or cars or any of those other things, no expenses, just the housing loan, $2,500. What is your buying power at $2,500 a month? So 6 months ago, at the 7.44, your buying power was about $360,000 plus your $380, so a little bit less than $400. Today, with that 5.625, your buying power is $435,000 plus your $455. Now the difference is over $70,000 more house that you can afford today for the same exact money it would have cost you 6 months ago. That is why it matters to you. That's why this 0.5 point, it's not that it's a 0.5 point, it's that it's moving the market down. It's making adjustments. It's helping you to afford a nicer home, a bigger home, a different home. It changes your entire search bracket. Now, if you're a seller, why does this matter to you? We're going to see the same thing we saw in 2020 and 2021, which is an influx of buyers who are all looking for that perfect dream home. Now, if your house is on the market and it's been sitting for a little while, be calm, relax, don't worry. I have a feeling you're going to see a lot of buyers coming out there and being ready to step in and purchase, because what will end up happening is we're going to have more buyers available again than houses, and we're going to start to see the bidding wars happen. We're going to start to see house prices ticking up. So if you're a buyer, you might want to get out there now. Call your agent. If you're in Philadelphia, give me a call. If you're not in Philadelphia, give someone a call, but talk to somebody if you're thinking of buying. If you're thinking of selling, timing the market is really important. Make sure you come out when you have the best chance of getting the highest possible price. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Otherwise, feel free to reach out to me direct. I'm John Trigg, the Montco Realtor. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the support, and I will see you next week.